What's up, YouTube? Welcome to the Credit Plug channel, where we talk about how to build credit, how to establish relationships with banks, and most importantly, how to get you access to high limit credit funding. If you haven't already, make sure you hit that subscribe button as well as smash the like button. So for today's video, we have another special credit union review. But before we dive into today's review, I wanted to remind everyone watching this video that this is not financial advice. We're not telling anyone to drop everything they're doing, run and go apply. This is for informational purposes only. So for today's video, we're going to be reviewing Service Credit Union. Now, Service Credit Union is the largest credit union in the state of New Hampshire, and they're based out of the Northeast region, so New Hampshire as well as Massachusetts. Now, up into 2020, they were only available in the Northeast, but they have switched to a federal charter. Now, you have state charters as well as federal charters. Now, sometimes you might wonder why certain credit unions aren't available to individuals who live in certain areas. Now, usually that's going to be dictated by the type of bank charter that particular credit union has. Now, federal charters allow credit unions to offer services to members throughout the country. Now, what's great about Service Credit Union is that they switch from a state to a federal charter, so that allows them to be able to offer products and services to members throughout the country. Now, the governing body for federally chartered credit unions is going to be the National Credit Union Administration, otherwise known as NCUA. Some of you might have heard of it, but this is the governing body of all federal chartered credit unions. Now, in terms of the field of membership, Service Credit Union is wide open. Now, they were originally designed for active duty military veterans as well as their families, so very similar to Navy Federal, but they've since opened up their field of membership. Now, as you can see right here, I know I talk about this a lot in a lot of the credit union reviews that we do, but you can join through the American Consumer Council. So all you got to do is show them your certificate, or you've already joined credit unions through the American Consumer Council, then you automatically can get membership into Service Credit Union. If you're an active duty military veteran or a family member, anyone who currently works or have worked for the Department of Defense as well as their families, this is basically going to be available to anyone. Now, in order to apply for membership, you will need to provide your social security number, your driver's license or government ID, as well as your current home address, as well as a credit card or bank routing number to fund your account. So this is one of the credit unions that you can use a credit card for your open-end deposit. And it's only going to be a $5 deposit into your savings account to reserve your membership. Service Credit Union offers a variety of different credit products on the personal and business side. So I just wanted to start first with the personal credit card. So they offer 3 different credit cards. They have the Visa Everyday credit card, the Visa Signature Everyday Elite credit card, as well as the Visa Everyday Preferred credit card. Now, the Visa Everyday credit card has a low APR, so 0% intro APR for 6 months on purchases and balance transfers for new Service Credit Union members. There's no annual fee. The Visa Signature Elite Everyday credit card is going to give you 1.5 points on all purchases. So this is more of a rewards card. 0% introductory APR for 12 months on purchases and balance transfers. When you spend $1,500 in the first 60 days, you'll earn a 15,000 point bonus, and there's also no annual fee. Last but not least, you have the Visa Everyday Preferred card. This earns 1 point on all purchases. You get extended warranty protection, purchase security, and there's no annual fee. Now, in terms of the APR, the Visa Everyday card as well as the Visa Signature Everyday Elite card are both going to have the introductory 0% APR on purchases and balance transfers, where the Visa Everyday Preferred is not going to have the intro APR for purchases or balance transfers. Service Credit Union credit cards go up to a maximum of $30,000. So the Visa Signature Everyday as well as the Visa Everyday Preferred card are going to go up to $30,000 on the credit limit, and then the Visa Everyday card is only going to go up to $20,000. None of them have annual fees. There's no hidden APR increases for late payments, no foreign transaction fees, and they also come with a variety of different benefits. Now, in terms of the best credit card, I guess it really depends on what you're looking to accomplish, but I would say the Visa Signature Everyday Elite, because it's going to give you the 0% APR on purchases and balance transfers for the first 12 months, and it's going to go up to $30,000. Now, aside from the credit cards, they also have personal loans with rates as low as 7.49% APR. They also have lines of credit, and they also have a relocation loan, an energy efficiency loan, as well as a quick loan. This is going to be very similar to the DCU quick loan, which also goes up to $2,000. It has terms between 2 to 12 months. You get a fast approval, and this will also help you build your credit score with on-time payments. And this is a quick loan that you can take out once you repay. So this is a easy access to funds up to $2,000. And this comes with a fixed 13.99% APR. So that's pretty decent for a quick loan. And this is going to be like a payday loan alternative. You can get qualified for this even if you do have a lower credit score. Now, aside from the quick loan, they also have a personal loan. Now, the personal loan is going to go up to $50,000. Now, this is an installment loan, so you'll get a one-time lump sum. And then they also have a personal line of credit. The difference with the personal line of credit is that it is a revolving loan and it's based off of your credit worthiness. They will require you to also provide some proof of income as well. So just be prepared for that as well if you do plan on applying. They also offer a relocation loan. So if you're in the military and you're being relocated, then you can qualify for this. And this will help you cover the expense of moving, consolidating your bills, or anything else you may need to make your move much easier. They also have a energy efficiency loan as well. Now, in terms of the personal loan rates, so the personal loan has a APR as low as 7.49%, personal line of credit as low as 9.99%, and an energy efficiency loan as low as 8.49%. So these interest rates aren't too bad. And another thing I wanted to point out too is that you can get up to a 0.75 discount applied to your APR when you open up a personal checking account and also have a direct deposit. Service Credit Union also offers business and commercial banking services, so business checking as well as business lines of credit, business loans. Now, as I was saying, since they are federally chartered, they could provide business checking as well as a business credit card to any business owners, regardless of what state you might live in. Now, I did speak with a representative. The only products that anyone can apply for on the business side are going to be for the business loans and the business lines of credit. Now, business loans and lines of credit are only going to be available to local businesses within their branch area. Now, they do have cooperative branch locations where you can access your account, but for some of the business unsecured lines of credit, it's only going to be available to people within that Northeast, New Hampshire, as well as Massachusetts service area. But you can apply for a business credit card regardless of where you might be. Now, in terms of the qualifications to get a business account, you're going to have to complete the Service Credit Union Business Membership Application Packet. You also will have to provide proof of good standing with the Secretary of State, proof of your EIN, so your SS4 form from the IRS, certificate of formation, your LLC operating agreement, and if you're a multi-member LLC, you'll also have to provide an LLC resolution, as well as your government issue photo ID for all individuals listed in the business membership applications. Service Credit Union offers free business checking, so there's no minimum opening balance, there's no monthly fees. You can get free and instantly issue business Visa debit cards at any branch. You also get 24/7 live member support. There's no transaction fees for the first 250 transactions processed monthly, and you also get free notary service. So this is a great business checking account, especially if you're a new business, because again, this is available to any business owner nationwide, no minimum balance, no monthly fees. Service Credit Union offers the Visa Business Platinum Card. You earn 1.5 points for every dollar that you spend. So this is going to be a business credit card. Now, anyone can apply for this business credit card regardless of where you are geographically. And I think this is one aspect of Service Credit Union that really stands out, is that it offers a business credit card to all members. Now, when it comes to the business lines of credit, the business loans, the business vehicle loans, that's not going to be available to everyone just yet. They also offer auto refinance loans, so you can refinance with rates as low as 1.74%. There's no payment payment for the first 90 days, and you'll even get $100 if you can find a rate lower than 1.74%. So if you can beat their rate, then they'll give you $100. So that's another great benefit. In addition, they also offer real estate rehab loans. So this is one loan for the purchase and renovation costs. They'll also give you a $500 e-gift card when you apply and are approved for a real estate rehab loan. All right, so let's just recap Service Credit Union. So Service Credit Union membership eligibility is going to be nationwide. You can join through the American Consumer Council. Now, I would say Service Credit Union is kind of similar to Navy Federal in the fact that they originally started off as a military-based type of credit union where they serve the needs of military members as well as their families, but they've since expanded their field of membership. In late 2020, they switched to a federal charter so they can now offer products and services to members nationwide. Now, on the personal side, they offer 3 different credit cards, 2 of which offers a 0% intro APR on purchases and balance transfers. They also have a personal line of credit and personal loans with limits up to $50,000. Their personal credit cards go up to $30,000, as well as their business Visa credit card. And they also have a quick loan that goes up to $2,000. Now, this is a payday loan alternative, and this is going to be very similar to the DCU quick loan. So even if you don't have the highest credit score, you could still qualify for up to $2,000 on the quick loan, and it will help you with building your credit. They have auto loans as low as 1.74%, and you can also get up to $100 if you can find a lower rate elsewhere. They'll pay you $100. They also offer a $500 e-gift card if you open up a real estate rehab loan. Now, on the business side, they have business loans, business lines of credit, as well as business credit cards, and they have free business checking with no minimum balance and no monthly fees. Now, when it comes to the business loan products, the only product that you're going to be able to get if you're outside of the Northeast, New Hampshire, Massachusetts area is going to be the business Visa card. So businesses across the United States can open up a business checking account as well as a business Visa card. However, when it comes to the business loans and lines of credit, you do have to be within the local footprint, the Northeast, New Hampshire, Massachusetts. Now, I spoke to a representative. Now, they said that since they've switched to a federal charter, they will eventually start to offer the business loans and lines of credit to members outside of the Northeast footprint. But for the time being, it's only going to be the business checking accounts, business savings products, as well as the business Visa card. Now, in terms of data points, they're going to be pulling your Experian personal credit report. Now, to qualify for the business credit card, you will need a minimum of a 675 Experian FICO score. Now, I'm not 100% sure which FICO model that they're using, but from the data points I've gathered from speaking with representatives, it's a 675 minimum that they're looking for. And this is one of the credit unions kind of similar to NIH FCU as well on the business side, where you don't necessarily need to open up a business membership first if you want to apply for the credit card. So you can apply for the business credit card without actually being a business member, but you will have to be a personal member before you could apply for any of their products. So overall, I think this is a great credit union. The fact that they're available nationwide and they have a variety of different credit products, personal loans, personal lines of credit, quick loans, personal credit cards, business lines of credit. Anyways, that's all I wanted to cover in today's video. If anyone has any experience with Service Credit Union, definitely let us know in the comment section down below. And until next time, take it easy and we'll talk to you soon. Peace.